Hi everyone, welcome back to the cocktail vlog. I'm Steve the bartender. Hope you're all keeping safe and sound. Today I'm showing you how to make a Bermuda 100. This cocktail is said to be the love child of like a Negroni and a Mai Tai, very similar to a Jungle Bird, which I've done on the channel once before, which I'll link to up here. The Jungle Bird is essentially a rum version of this, with the addition of Orgeat, which is an almond syrup. I love the Jungle Bird. I've mentioned it a couple times on the channel before. It's absolutely delicious. It's got the addition of the Campari, so it adds a bitterness to an otherwise tropical tiki drink, and they're amazing. So if you haven't tried it, if you've got a bottle of Campari lying around, then give it a try. So this calls for 45 ml of gin, and I'm using Kyle's bottle. Thank you very much for using the Buy the Back Bar feature. I'll link to that in the description below. 22.5, 3/4 ounce of Campari, bright red, bit of Amaro, and then 45 mils, 1.5 ounces of fresh pineapple juice. And then 15 ml, half an ounce of fresh lime juice, and the same measure of Orgeat. So 15 ml, half an ounce. Add ice to the cocktail shaker and then give it a good shake. And then it's just strained over top of fresh ice. And garnish with a pineapple spear and a cherry. And they have a Bermuda 100. Cheers. I think its looks are very deceptive. It's got this like peachy pink kind of look. It looks quite pretty, but I know the underlying bitterness is gonna give it some potency and yeah, cheers. Definitely not a sweet tiki kind of tropical drink. It does have that bitterness, but it's balanced out with the citrus. You get the dryness from the gin, touch of sort of thick syrupy almond from the Orgeat. This is probably a good cocktail to introduce people to Campari. It's not overly bitter, but it's still there. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers.